Mrs. sa kasal nyo. Sana magkaroon tayo ng kambal. Akin yung isa. Sana maging successful yung iyong marriage. Happy trip bukas. Love you. Ingat kayo ni Tyler dyan pagdating mo doon. Love you uli. Thank you.
Hi, hello sa inyong dalawa, Vanessa and Tyler. Good luck sa inyong wedding. And then be happy. Lifetime magsasama kayo habang buhay. And then sabi ni mami nyo, sana kambal. Ako naman, ang wishes ko, sana triplet. And then ano pa, yun, happy wedding kung kailan man ang date ng wedding nyo.
Okay, ako na. So, best wishes ate. So I hope lahat maging smooth pagdating doon para nga sa date ng wedding mapush na agad. And then we look forward sa second ceremony dito. So I think naman no, the tagal nyo na rin ni Tyler, so it will be a happy and lifelong happy marriage. Best wishes and congrats to you both.
Hello Banette, Tyler, congratulations and best wishes to you both. All the best, and congratulations on your wedding day. It will be a lot of fun based on our experience. So yep. Enjoy. Keep safe, and hope to see you all soon when you get back to the Philippines, or if we visit you there.
Welcome to the family, and so sad we won't be there, but hope you guys enjoy and keep safe always. Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
What do you have there?
It's a triceratops. Is that Nina? Wow, it's Nina. Ninang.
Hi Rosie and Tyler, congratulations on your special day. I wish you all the best. Love each other unconditionally. That's all I can say. Thank you very much and best wishes. Goodbye. So, hope to see you soon.
Congratulations, Roski!
May your marriage with Tyler be filled with endless love, laughter, and unwavering patience. We wish you both a lifetime of joy and good health. Enjoy! Ingat!
Hello my bear, hello Tyler. I'm sorry I wasn't able to attend Roski's bridal shower. That I really regret, but I wish you all the best, all the love in the world. I hope to see you very soon so I can hug you. I love you.
Yo Roski, kamusta? It's been a while. Nabalitaan ko kay Dex na ikakasal ka na. Yun, finally nakita mo na yung taong makakasama mo for the rest of your life. Congratulations sa inyo and God bless you both.
Hi Ate Roski, congratulations. I miss you so much. Let's catch up soon. Okay, congratulations. Love you.
Hi Roski, unang-una sa lahat gusto kitang batiin ng congratulations sa nalapit mong kasal. So, yan na nga, papunta ka sa new chapter ng iyong buhay bilang may asawa. So, enjoy mo lang at sana soon magkaroon din kayo ng baby na masasabi yung family. Bye!
Hi Roski! Finally, eto na yung inaantay mo. Ikasal kayong dalawa ni Tyler. Congratulations, Mare! I'm happy for you both. And sana soon magka-baby na kayo. Congratulations, Mare!
Mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman